Welcome to Motion and Product, where we help you build and design better products. Have you ever wanted to build your own application or website, but you just didn't know how because you were blocked by not knowing how to code or not knowing anyone who could code it for you? Perhaps the time is now to start taking a look at making those dreams a reality, because right now in the market, there's tons of different platforms that will help you build the things you need without using code. These are called as no-code or low-code tools. Side note, I'm currently a product designer working with developers every day writing code. And previous to that, I was actually a developer for 7 years. Even though I know how to code, I know how hard it can get to get started in code. You have to get your environment set up, you have to choose your programming language, then you have to choose a framework on top of that, then you have to think about where you're going to store this data and what are you going to use to store the data. And all of these decisions are made even before you even started writing a single line of code for your own application. Yes, some people out there say that if you learned how to code, then you can build and customize everything to your liking and to your need. And if you want to learn how to code, and that's your passion, and you want to become a developer in your career, yes, go ahead, learn how to code, spend the time, build the skills, learn the craft. But I'm going to ask you this one question. Do you want to spend the next 100 days learning how to code, or do you want to spend the next 100 days building something that you can build and grow your product on top of? No-code tools provide the scaffolding for you to jump in there, create the workflows that you need to build your applications so that you can get it into your hands of your customers quickly. And all of this is done not always free, but definitely at a fraction of a cost that it would cost to hire someone to do it for you, or for you to take a coding boot camp yourself to learn how to code. If you're thinking of starting a product but don't know where to start, or if you're currently stuck somewhere in your product development, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to look at ways to help you to get started on your path on building products. And hey, if you're skeptical and you don't believe in no-code tools, I want to challenge you. Please leave a comment below on an app or a website that you think that no-code tools can't be used to build. I'm going to take it as a personal challenge to see if I can build those things with no-code tools. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please consider giving this video a like so that others can find content like this. And if you want to join me on my journey on building products with no-code tools, please consider subscribing so that you can get updates on when my next video comes out. So until then, bye for now, and hope you join me in the future videos where we can build better products together.